Okay, today I'm going to a new site again. Not new to you, but new to me. Shit, what are we talking about? Not new to me, but new to you. Uh, because I usually won't cover the site until renovation is midway, which means carpentry will be going in today. So what are the highlights of this house? First, there's a structure inside that will be the concept of this whole space. This structure is quite unusual. There are also interesting wall colors and cute kids rooms. Actually quite a few features lah, but then they will be up progressively. So a lot are still in shipment, and I can't wait to see the sofa that we have ordered. It's so cute, and we're going to order some cute paintings and posters as well. So 敬请期待. What else? Actually a lot of tiny details you have to see to know. So now since I'm at traffic light, I tell you lah, but I'm going to move off soon, like now. Bye. So we will have a bar counter here with bar stools, decal words. It will be a cute little corner lah. chill out corner. See my cute wheels? Hee hee hee.